Frequently asked questions. On Chapter 9, Heredity and Evolution. CBSE Class 10, Term 2. Let's get started. 1. Why acquired traits are not inherited? Answer. Acquired traits are those which are developed in the organisms during their lifetime. These traits are because of non-reproductive tissue, so cannot be passed. 2. How evolution and classification are linked. 3. Give the pair of contrasting traits of the following characters in plant, and mention which one is recessive and which is dominant. A yellow seed, B round seed. Answer 3. A green seed, dominant yellow seed, recessive, B wrinkled seed, recessive, round seed, dominant. 4. What are variations? Give their types. Answer. Although offspring of the same parents resemble one another as to their parents, yet 3 are differences among them. These differences are called variations. It is of 2 types: A reproductive, passed from one generation to another; B non-reproductive, not passed from one generation to another. 6. Write difference between autosomes and allosomes. 7. Explain the importance of fossils in deciding evolutionary relationship. Answer. Study of fossils allow us to make estimates of how far back evolutionary relationship go organisms. Study of age of fossils allows us to know which organisms evolved earlier and which later. 8. What are inherited traits? Give one example. Answer. The characteristics which are transmitted from parents to their offsprings are called inherited traits. For example, free and attached lobes. 9. How do we know how old a fossil is? There are 2 methods. A relative method: when we dig into the earth, the fossils we find closer to the surface are more recent than the fossils we find in deeper layers. By detecting the ratios of different isotopes of the same element in the fossil material. 10. The sex of the children is determined by what they inherit from their father and not their mother. Justify. Del C. Answer. It is because a child who inherits an X chromosome from her father will be a girl, and one who inherits a Y chromosome from his father will be a boy. But all children inherit a X chromosome from their mother regardless of whether they are boys or girls. What is meant by the term speciation? List for factors which could lead to speciation. Del. Answer. Speciation is the evolution of reproductive isolation among once interbreeding population. 16. Explain the terms. Speciation, natural selection. Del. Answer. Speciation is the evolution of reproductive isolation among once interbreeding populations, that is, the development of one or more species from an existing species. Natural selection is the process, according to Darwin, which brings about the evolution of new species of animals and plants. An individual cannot pass on to its progeny the experiences of its lifetime. Justify the statement with the help of an example, and also give reason for the same. Foreign. With the help of suitable examples, explain natural selection. Describe briefly for ways in which individuals with a particular trait may increase in a population. What is meant by analogous organs? Taking a suitable example, explain how they support the theory of organic evolution. Del. Some important questions are given below in description box. Please check it out.